Yo, I have waited so long to open these, bro. Alright, we got Legends of the Cosmos and Planets United Battle Box. It's crazy. These are hard to open. That's the bag. And I'm pretty sure you need to put the first card to the back because it's a rare or something. I don't know. But let's check it out. Heatotac. What? Okay. And there's a common. We got a knight, Cyanite. That's cool. I want to make a knight deck. I just feel like they're cool. I'll put them right here. Q-Box Keeper. Probably pronouncing all of these wrong. Paju. Lake of Myth. That's cool. A lot of Pelisium. 5-star Fossil. That's a common, right? Yeah. Gatomic Crystal. Kalelian. That's cool. Bugunk. Bernard the Space Worm. Kaboot and Kabonk. Statue of Labyrinth. The Galacta Wielder. That's cool. Galactic Goggles. Planet card Sindel. That's cool. Alright. Oh my gosh. Talakon. From Teklar. Damn. That's a ridiculously rare. We'll put him up here. Alright, Zatalon. Oh, that's so rare. Okay, first combiner card. Avamon the Fortress Guard. Okay. Nuclear. Cool. How do you even say that? Brocago. Gravithax. So rare. Ooh. Gabosterus. Aromatic Scent. Limited edition. Alright. We'll put that up there. Galaxy Toast. Tran Cleric. Time Flash Portal. Star Mosaic. Nice. Ooh, Truant. Nice. Kuruku. Cool. Ice and Slice, of course, gotta have it. Firestorm Sorcery. Suit and Kabunk. I feel like the Kabunk cards are cool. I like that archetype. Gardecorn. I like that. And Temple Traps. So I was wrong. I didn't need to put that card to the back. So that was Planets United. That was cool. Alright, so we got Legends of the Cosmos. I'm gonna do that thing again just because I feel like putting a card to the back helps in these. I don't know. I might be wrong. Paradrax. And we got Cursed Bellows. Alright. Alright. Yes. Viridius the Devourer. So glad we got that. Point. Ice Elixir. Death Talisman Shirok. Meteoroid Storm. Bogabooga. Galactabo. Infinite. Alright. Gomp. It's a really rare. We'll put him here. Double-sided Spear. Enderman's Telescope. Desert Dancer. Phenomenus the Bright. Upside Down Realm. Of course, Slush, ridiculously rare. And Blood Eclipse Delight. So we didn't get a full combiner card. I kind of want to get a full combiner card at one point. I feel like that'd be really cool. I'll definitely be getting more